I decided to sell Nvidia, not because I don't like the company, because for the long run, I really think Nvidia can reach 10 trillion in market cap. Sooner or later, we will see Nvidia reaching 10 trillion in market cap. And I still have a long-term position on Nvidia, but on this account where I try to do a little bit more of trading, I really think Nvidia can have a little bit of rebound. And so, for example, if we go here on the fundamental analysis, what I would like to share with you, we have to exclude the enterprise value on sales, which is a method we use to analyze and to for calculating the fair value of a company which is losing money, and definitely is not the case for Nvidia. And what I usually do, I also turn off also the method that give me a very a much higher result compared to the other one. So in this case, for example, I turn off also the discounted cash flow. And if we compare the actual price to the fair value of Nvidia, at the moment, the company is undervalued by only 6.41%. Okay. The company is still a little bit undervalued, but I s- I start to be a little bit scared about this this level um, uh, reached from with Nvidia. Okay, and again, if we go to the projection and we go back with our time machine, at least to have a projection which is not moderate or weak, but we go back to a strong, like this one, projection. As you can see, the average, we are almost there. This was a very interesting projection with which is strong. It means it's more than 70% in probability with 5 on 5 stars. As you can see, the projection gave us a 214 target price, and we are almost there. Okay. The most correlated case gave us a target of $231. And actually, we were almost there yesterday because we were at the 206, 207 with Nvidia. So, if we add also the seasonality, as you can see here, in few days, seasonality is expected to reach a peak. And from this peak, which is in a few days in November, we have a period which goes until the end of December, beginning of January, where Nvidia historically moved downward. Because as you can see in the past 10 years, 70% of the years in this specific period, which is the one I highlighted on the chart, Nvidia went down, okay, with an average return of 8.2%. So what I'm looking for with Nvidia is to experience a rebound. And also if we go here on the overbought and oversold, as you can see, the prices are going up, okay, but our market mood meter is telling me that we are on a very dangerous area where we can definitely experience a drop in prices. Yes, Sanjay, we have, of course, a video which is explaining the market mood meter. I ask you to use this chart you can find on every page of our website and reach our customer care team so they can definitely help you and they can give you the link where you can find the explanation, or You can also send an email if you are more confident here at info@forecaster.biz, and our team will give you all the assistance you need. Okay? So, as always, we use the forecaster in order to analyze a financial instrument from different angles. We did it with Nvidia because we talked about fundamentals, we talked about technical mathematical approach with the overbought oversold. We saw the projection. We are almost there at the target price gave us to by the projection. We talked about the seasonality. Okay, so if I analyze Nvidia from different angles, we also spoke about fundamentals because, as I told you, we also with the fair value calculation, we are almost there. We are very close to a right, a fair valuation.